Hello friends, today I will tell you about how to introduce yourself in German. That is, sich vorstellen of Deutsch for A1 level. So, first of all, whenever we introduce ourselves, we give some greetings. Greetings are called as Begrüßung. So, a common greeting which you can always use is hello and Guten Tag, that is hello, good day. Then you will like to tell them about your name. Like my name is Shivani, so I would say Ich heiße Shivani. After the name, we should tell about our age. Age is called as Alter in German. So, my age is 25 years, so I would say Ich bin 25 Jahre alt. After the age, we should tell about from where we belong to, from which country we come from. So, our origin, that is Herkunft in German. So, I come from India, so I would say Ich komme aus Indien. After telling your country of origin, you will like to tell about where you are currently living, that is your current place of residence. That is called as Wohnort in German. So, currently I live in Germany. So, I would say Ich wohne in Deutschland. Later, I would like to tell about what I currently do. So, it's Beruf or my job. If I am a student, I can say Ich bin Studentin. And for boys, they can say Ich bin Student. And if you are currently working as a profession, you can say Ich arbeite als DevOps-Ingenieur. That means I am currently working as DevOps engineer. For girls, it's Ingenieurin. For boys, it's Ingenieur. Later, we will like to tell about our hobbies. So, my hobbies are reading and listening to music. So, I would say, meine Hobby sind Lesen und Musik hören. So now, if you would like a template for complete Vorstellung, you can tell it like this. Hallo, ich heiße, your name. Ich bin 25 Jahre alt. You can tell your age here. Ich komme aus, your country. Und wohne in, your current place of residence. Ich bin, for girls you can say studentin, for boys you can say student, or else you can tell your Beruf. Then for hobbies, you can just copy paste the hobbies. Meine Hobbys sind Lesen und Musik hören. So here's my complete Vorstellung. Hallo, ich heiße Shivani und ich bin 25 Jahre alt. Ich komme aus Indien und wohne in Deutschland. Ich bin Studentin. Meine Hobbys sind Lesen und Musik hören. Danke. Thanks for watching. Danke fürs Zuschauen. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you want, you can comment your Vorstellung in the comments. Thank you.